Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Edge Pulsar programmer on this 2017 Ram 1500. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing that we're going to do is remove our negative terminal from our battery. It's going to be a 10 millimeter. So we went ahead and took off the top of our air box, and now that was just so you could see back to the PCM and our plugs. You don't actually have to do that for this installation. So next we are going to remove the plugs off our PCM. To do that, we're going to push in our lever release buttons. They're going to be right on top of our red levers. Push those in, lift the lever up, you'll feel it click, and then you can pull it out. We're going to do that on both sides. Just like that. Next, we need to unmount our PCM from our firewall. Now that's going to be 3 10 millimeter bolts. That's going to be 2 on our outside, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. And there's going to be 1 in the middle towards the inside of the engine compartment. Our second bolt. Now once you get your last bolt and you start working on it, you want to make sure that you're holding your PCM in place, because once that bolt is out, it's going to want to fall. Now with our PCM on the table, we're going to align our Pulsar programmer, making sure all of our holes are lined up, and then we're going to push it down until it rests flush up against our computer. Now we're going to take our PCM and put it back in place. And we're going to use our provided new longer bolts with washers to go through our programmer, into our PCM, and into the factory holes in the firewall. We'll get all those started by hand first, and then we can go back and tighten them down. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten our 3 bolts up with a 10 millimeter. Now we don't want to over tighten these, just get them snugged up. With our bolts tight, we can plug our connectors back in. And then with those in place, then we can push down our red levers and lock them into place. Last, we can hook our battery back up and then go inside and test the operation. Okay, now to test to see if this is working properly, we need to have our truck in drive, and then what we're going to do is go on the plus and minus for our cruise control, and we're just going to hit that up. And as we can see, a number appears right next to our drive, and that's going to indicate the performance level that we're at. It should allow us to go all the way up to 8, and then it should go back to 1, just like that. All right guys, that completes the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.